Spring is here, and if you're thinking about cleaning up your space, why not give your health a spring makeover too? Hi, I'm Dr. BCW, and today on Beyond Clinical Walls, I'm putting a twist on a traditional spring cleaning that goes beyond decluttering your space. It's all about decluttering your health. Here are 3 tips to freshen up your surroundings and supercharge your well-being. First, know your health status. Start by scheduling a health screening or checkup. Understanding your health status empowers you to identify potential issues early, enabling proactive measures for better outcomes. The sooner you're aware, the sooner you can make positive changes to influence your health. Next, 15 minutes to well-being. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes each day to an activity you love, dancing, taking a brisk walk, or trying something new. This is a simple practice that significantly impacts mental and physical well-being, reducing the risk of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and Alzheimer's, embracing the joy of movement for a healthier you. Last, practice gratitude. Cultivate a sense of appreciation by starting a daily gratitude practice. Taking time each day to reflect on what you are grateful for can enhance mental and physical health. Studies show this practice can increase happiness, improve sleep, and bolster resilience. So why not give thanks and boost your well-being? Now that spring is almost here, I will be doing my best to incorporate these 3 practices into my own routine as I work to make this year a health-positive year for body and mind. This is Dr. BCW. Thank you for watching Beyond Clinical Walls. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel. Thank you for your support.